something like that. So install Linux Mint. Probably the 50th time I've done it. So English, I rather use English, but you can use your own language, of course. I never use this, so it installs all kind of elements, MP3 protected elements, third-party software and so on. I just don't do it, I do it afterwards. I do not try to mix operating systems together like Windows with Linux. I really designate a complete SSD, which is a very good tip. Use SSDs and you'll have a very fast machine. In erase the complete disk, install Linux Mint. I never do it on my own, something else. I just keep it as it is. What it's going to do is going to make a large, here you see it, a large partition for your root and a smaller one for the swap, and that's just fine for me. Continue. Sometimes you visit these operating systems and they make so complicated partitions, 5, 6, 7 partitions with all different kind of formats. I don't see the need. So Belgian keyboard is for me important, otherwise you choose something else, and then you're gonna type in your name and always log in automatically. Don't have to wait. Sorry. That's it actually. So there's nothing more to tell about installation. This installation is now been done, and in a few minutes time everything will be installed. And there we are. We can now continue the testing or restart now. So everything is installed. Let's reboot. Please remove the installation medium and press enter. Let's have a look how we can do that. Maybe we don't even need to do it. Let's just check it out, what it does. Voila. No need to unmount our Linux ISO image. He's booting from the virtual hard disk. And there we are, we're welcomed. We don't want to show the dialog anymore, and now we can go and try out the system. You can try to minimize the screen, so that's possible. A lot of elements can be done. You can check up here what elements are what's interesting, for instance, is take a snapshot, and so it's a frozen moment in time, and when you install then afterwards software, you can go back before the time that you installed it. So it's a kind of time machine, if you know the Mac way of doing it. So full screen mode, seamless mode, scaled mode, adjust win size, take screenshot, video capture. A lot of things you can do, elements you can change, but that is maybe for another movie.